Just a walkthrough of my resource development and the assessment that I got for the roof geometry for my topic portfolio. So looking at the resource development, so I kind of focused on the rebatment for development side of things and my anticipated difficulties. This is mainly because it's kind of it's something that can be overlooked with rebatments. Some people might think of it as easy, but it's worth contextualizing in the idea of plane references and stuff and trying to link it all back, because developments is a big part of the topic. So what I did was I did two plane references, your vertical plane, horizontal plane. You can see the outlines of it in so if you folded it out at your A3 page, you'd have your front elevation, and your plan. And what I did was I did a normal rebatment of the edges, just so that that swinging arc coming down, this being your front elevation if you were drawing it, and you'd be drawing down straight from plan, and you'd be bringing it across your center line, across there where it meets, and then you have your true shape of your edge, which is this triangle there. And basically it's a nice contextualized version of what's trying to be asked here, and that's why I developed my resource, because you can look at it from different views. You can highlight your lines, you can tie it back nicely to the different planes and get students thinking. In terms of assessment, it was given a standard hip roof. You're given the plan, the elevation, you're given that, so you have to find the head rule between A and B surfaces, which is here. The reason I chose this assessment and the design of the assessment was because it gave a nice summary of everything, key principles, so dihedral angle, rebatment, development, auxiliary, it all ties in nicely, and a little bit at the end then I did a little bit different to get the students motivated with the length of a gutter being placed in the house, that everyone knows what a gutter is. They all have one at their homes, so that was a little bit of a motivational kind of thing at the end to get them going. So the assessment was driven off that, so it included all that kind of stuff.